My fire-obsessed girlfriend has decided she wants to buy a fire pit. This one. Got it in the sale, so we're going to unbox it, see what it's all about. So let's get on with the unboxing. So let's get on with the building. I forgot to put these on. They go here. It's a grill rack when we want the grill rack, so you can grill food on it. You take the lid off, and then you have this bit goes in there. Oh, I see. Like that. Presumably as well, if you didn't want to grill, you could just turn it all the way around, so it's less aesthetic, and then you could have the lid. It doesn't like that pole really, so I think that definitely that's optional if you want to grill. It's not, and in the instructions it's like two separate things, so yes, that's correct, all good. Or 1, 2, set it up as a grill rack. Them's the choices that you're gonna make. Just a fire pit on its own with the little cover, or with this pole set it up as a grill rack. So keeps this pole to one side, I would do. But there you go. Let's take this off a minute. Well, that's your fire pit, or with added grill, one fire grill. Got a wet bum now. Oh, there we are. The fire's died down a bit now. There we go. The Landmann Fire Pit. 42 quid, or about 47. Less than $50 it was. Not the most precise piece of engineering in the world, but it went together with a few missteps. And there you go. It's portable, nice and warm. People sit round it, Nice little addition to the garden. You can barbecue. I'm not sure we'll ever use that grill thing, but you can barbecue if you want. Be interesting. Come those heady summer days again. But this is for those sort of nice, slightly chilly winter evenings, I think, when you sit in the garden, just for something a bit different. And also, obviously, Marika-chan is fire obsessed. She just loves fire. So I could just leave her out here looking at it. There you go. Don't forget to hit the likes, because I like it, YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find content like this, blazing content, hot content like this. And if you're new to my channel, then hey, subscribe. Maybe we'll do some videos of like a fireside chat. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Janai! Can't get the star. Hit like and subscribe.